Yeah? Yeah. What the fuck? What's up? Um, I'm just gonna be showing you how how to sound like Eric DOA in his new EP. This preset is kind of like used in every song. I mean, I took a listen to the acapella that he posted on his story the other day. I like the three acapellas, and I mean, this is the closest I could get to the preset, um, without having like an engineer or anything. So, I'll show you guys the song I'm covering.
I've been trading, telling August that the well ran dry, but you know he's a man, and so am I. And other house plans dying.
There's not a lot to it. I record with autotune on. It just, I mean, it helps me. You don't have to. Some of my friends say it helps. Some of them don't like it. So it's just, whatever you want to do. Personal preference. Fuck. Um, but yeah, so nothing too crazy on the autotune. I mean, I can't sing, so it's just set pretty high right now. But I'll show you what it sounds like without the preset. I've been trying telling August that the well ran dry, but you know he's a man, and so am I. And now the house plant's dying, and the city girls crying. This preset has, let's see, 6, including the buses. So I just have 3 buses here. They all have Fresh Air. It's a free plugin. Just go download it. And you will also need OTT for this and some of the waves. Go buy waves. Do not pirate. But if you need to sell 7Cs, go for it. I mean, whatever works for you. But I bought these, so. But here's what it sounds like with the preset on. I'm gonna play it without the beat and then with the guitar. So I've been trying telling August that the well ran dry, but you know he's a man, and so am I. And now the house plant's dying, and the city girls crying. There's nothing left for me. And there's not a lot to the preset. It's just very crispy, a lot of high end, a lot of compression. That's something that he does a lot with his vocals. A lot of compression, very compressed vocals. I've been trying telling August that the well ran dry, but you know he's a man, and so am I. And now the house plant's dying, and the city girls crying. There's nothing left for me here. And then I'll show you the O's, because they're on a different preset to the ones that were right here. So. Oh, wouldn't known it'd be me that would get in my way, tripping on my own mistakes. Oh. But yeah, I mean, there's not a lot to it. If you guys want the preset, it'll be in the description, for free. So go download it. Go download OTT and Fresh Air. I'll also link those in the description. But yeah, simple preset.